factoring ax squared plus bx plus c, where a is not equals to 1. Okay, so we are going to factor a polynomial in this form, ax squared plus bx plus c, where a is not equals to 1. So in this expression, our a is 4, our b is 16, and our c is negative 9. So we are going to find its factor. The first step that we are going to do is we are going to multiply our a and c. Our a is 4 and the c is negative 9. So what is 4 times negative 9? That is negative 36, right? And now, after finding the product of a and c, we are going to find the factor of negative 36, which is the sum is equals to 16. Okay? Or 4x squared times negative 9. That is negative 36x squared. Pero ako alang gikuan diri para di kayo mo maglibog is 4 and negative 9. 4 times negative 9 is negative 36. Then let's find the factor of negative 36. We have 12 times 3, negative 12 times 3, negative 3 times 12. Then we have negative 36 times 1, negative 1 times 36, 18 times negative 2, and negative 18 times 2. So these are the factors of negative 36. Now, let's find a factor here, which is the sum is 16. Negative 12 plus 3, negative 9. Next, negative 3 plus 12, that is positive 9. Negative 36 plus 1, that is negative 35. Negative 1 plus 36, positive 35. 18 plus negative 2, that is positive 16. Negative 18 plus 2 is negative 16. So which factors of 36 and negative 36 here, which is the sum is 16? Okay, we have this 18 and negative 2, right? So we are going to use negative 18 and negative 2. So we have now our new equation, 4x squared minus 2x. We are going to write negative 2x kay na may common factor si 4 and si 2, which is the 2. Then plus 18x minus 9. Okay. Next, diba this our new expression now is in a four term polynomial, diba? So we can factor this by grouping. So we have our first group and second group, 4x squared minus 2x. And our second group is 18x minus 9. Now, let's find the common factor. First, for our first group, 4x squared and negative 2x. What is their common factor? They have 2x, right? So, 2x. Atong ibutang si 2x diri ipagawa sa parenthesis. Then, divide. 4x squared divide 2x is 2x. Then, negative 2x divide 2x is negative 1. Why negative 1? Because 2x divide 2x is 1. So, negative. So, negative 1. Then, what is the factor of 18x and negative 9? They have 9, right? Okay, so we are going to write 9 here outside the parentheses. Then, divide. 18x divide 9 is 2x. And negative 9 divide 9 is negative 1. So, our factor is, write first inside the parentheses, 2x minus 1 and 2x, this is positive 9, so plus 9. So, this is now the factor of 4x squared plus 16x minus 9. Okay? I will give you another example. Now we have 3x squared plus 5x plus 2. Again, what is the first step that we are going to do? First, multiply the a and c. So we have 3 and 2. So what is the product of 3 and 2? Positive 6, right? And then we are going to find the factor of 6, which is the sum is equals to 5, right? So we have negative 3 times negative 2. We have 3 times 2, 6 times 1, and negative 6 times negative 1. These are the factors of positive 6. Then, let's add if it is equals to 5. Negative 3 plus negative 2, negative 5. 3 plus 2, positive 5. 6 plus 1, 7. Negative 6 plus negative 1 is negative 7. So, the factor of 6, which is the sum is 5, is this. So, let's use 3 and 2. So, this is now our new equation. 3x squared plus atong i-write og una si 3. Kay factor man si niya, naman siya kaparehas dire. Na niya factor nga 3. So let's write 3x plus 2x plus 2. So ang ato diring sabi 3x plus 2x is 5x equals ra. Then we are going to group this. Our first group is 3x squared plus 3x. And the second group is 2x plus 2. Then, find the factor. In our first group, what is the common factor of 3x squared and 3x? We have 3x. Then, divide. Butang sa nato din si 3x ipagawa sa parentheses. So, 3x squared divide 3x is x na lang. Plus, 3x divide 3x is 1. And then, in our second group, 2x plus 2. What is their common factor? Their common factor is 2. So, we have 2 here. 2x divide 2 is x. Plus, 2 divided by 2 is 1. So, our factor is we have, ari na lang, x plus 1 and 3x plus 2. Again, our factor is x plus 1 and 3x plus 2. Gikan diri, x plus 1, 3x plus 2. Okay, another example. Okay, last example, we have 3x squared minus 22x minus 16. First, we are going to find the product of 3 and negative 16. We have negative 48, right? Then, let's find the factor of negative 48, which is the sum is negative 22. We have negative 16 times 3. Negative 3 times 16. We also have 8 times 6. 8 times negative 6. Negative 8 times 6. We also have negative 24 times 2, and we have 24 times negative 2. 12 times, we also have 12 times 4, negative 12 times 4, and negative 4 times 12. Okay? So these are the factors of negative 48. So let's find factor of negative 48 here, which is the sum is negative 22. So negative 16 plus 3, negative 13. Negative 3 plus 16 is positive 13. 8 plus negative 6 is positive 2. Negative 8 plus 6 is negative 2. Negative 24 plus 2 is negative 22. 24 plus negative 2 is positive 22. Negative 12 plus 4 is negative 8. Negative 4 plus 12 is positive 8. So, asa man ani ang factor ni negative 48 nga equals, the sum is equals to negative 22. So, di ara. See, negative 24 and 2. So, we are going to use this factor. So, now our new expression, we have 3x squared minus 24x plus 2x minus 16. Okay. Then, we are going to group this. So, we have 3x squared minus 24x, our first group. And second group is 2x minus 16. Then, we are going to find the common factor of 3x squared and negative 24x. The common factor of 3x squared and negative 24x is 3x, right? So, 3x squared divide 3x. Ato sa ibutang si 3x na to din, no? Outside the parentheses. So, 3x squared divide 3x, we have x na lang. Minus 24x divide 3x is 8. Then, 2x and negative 16. What is the common factor of 2x and 16? We have the common factor of 2. So, we write here 2 outside the parentheses. 2x divide 2 is x. Minus 16 divide 2 is 8. So, we have now the factor x minus 8 and 3x plus 2. Again, the factor of